Hello, students, and welcome to Unit 2. This will begin an analysis writing assignment. On the course modules page, which is where I'm at now, under Unit 2.1, Paper 2, the third link down will be Review Analysis Essay Assignment. And these are the assignment directions for the entire unit. And so even if you're in Unit 2.2 or Unit 2.3, come back here to be able to view the actual assignment directions. Upon clicking the Review Analysis Essay Assignment link, it'll bring up the instructions page, which will look like this. There's a fair amount of just overview of what the assignment is about, what analysis is about, and some expectations for tone. There's also your draft requirements for both rough and final draft, the prompt, some keywords that you may want to know, and then an outline. So it has a very rigid outline. There's 8 paragraphs, and each one will follow this outline pretty much to the T. You will also have a writing portfolio that'll walk you through a bunch of these steps, and so the entire writing process will unfold as you get through the writing portfolio. One important thing to note here is that you have a choice of topic. On the left-hand side of this page, and if this is, if your left-hand side doesn't show anything, if it's blank like this is, there is a little burger with the dots. This is 11 right now, but that number could change as we add more topics. But click this, and you will see the tabs in a Google Doc. And underneath this, it says Topic, Plastics. Third one down says Topic, Fast Fashion. These are all the different topics right now. And we'll continue to add to the list, maybe even during the semester. But what you want to do is choose some of them that you find interesting. And your writing portfolio will work you through this. Your very first writing portfolio is going to have you look at 3 of them and then narrow your topic down to 1. And so by clicking any one of these tabs, you'll see that the page changes and it'll say plastics. There are links to both Gale and SIRS. Typically, 2 of them are missing a Gale landing page. They just don't have the topic specifically spelled out in those ways. But Gale can still provide very good articles. And then we've provided 3 articles for most of the topics. Some may have 2, some may have 4 or 5. It just depends on the topic and what we're able to find. But we've double-checked that these articles are directly applicable. And so you can do the entire assignment based on viewpoint 1, viewpoint 2, and the provided articles. In fact, that is the recommended way to go through this. If you want to choose a different article, you will have to work with your instructor by email or talking to them in person to get okay to use another article. And be specific if you request it as to which viewpoint that article will support and also how that article will support it. And if you want a challenge, if you want better information and better sources, then feel free to reach out to your instructor. So this is how you access the actual directions page for the Unit 2 analysis essay. And again, you may come back here several times throughout the unit to look at this directions sheet. If you have any questions, please let your instructor know. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.